The SD4050Pro 10-in-1 welder cutter is a versatile machine that supports 10 different welding and cutting processes, making it an ideal choice for professionals seeking a multifunctional tool. This welder is compatible with a spool gun, allowing for efficient aluminum welding using Pulse MIG technology, and offers convenient adjustments for inductance and burn-back control. For TIG welding, the SD4050Pro supports both high-frequency start and lift TIG welding and includes a non-touch ignition feature for precise seam creation, even from challenging angles. The upgraded non-touch pilot arc plasma cutting capability allows the SD4050Pro to cut through materials such as stainless steel, copper, and aluminum up to 3/4 of an inch thick with ease. Its smart memory mode, displayed on an intuitive LCD interface, allows users to save up to 10 sets of parameters for each welding mode, enhancing efficiency and ease of use. With a wide voltage range and a robust duty cycle, this welding machine is designed for continuous heavy-duty operations, making it suitable for demanding welding applications on various metals.